Okay, so it's now been a couple of days since that side of the road drawing. I'm in the process of making my drawing here. So when I'm done this drawing, I'm going to show you the pictures that help formulate the concept. But I just want to show you something else. So I went shopping yesterday. I bought all kinds of stuff to make. I bought some fruits and vegetables, but I bought socks and underwear. I bought olive oil. It's my kind of favorite olive oil there. So not there. So then I bought this here. So you see that on there? It's like infinite possibilities, cosmic crisp. So there's a clue here regarding that engine, but I'll explain that later. But I bought spiral pasta. Okay, because I want to make this salad here. So those are like spiral pasta. There's yellow, there's orange in there. You see the orange, and there's yellow. Okay, so pull that out, and the red. So this orange pepper, that yellow, and that red one are colors. These are lasers. Okay, so that's water. That's fire. That red one would naturally be love, but I can tell that the spirits want me to use the four colors of lasers to superheat the plasma. Based on that being fire, water, you would need a blue laser to represent air and a green laser to represent earth. So by looking at this and the spirals here, because the spirals, it represents this part that I'm working on right now. So this here is the coil. So this is the neodymium coil. So it's coiling down. It's coiling down like that, and then after that, there'll be the big giant rings around it. I'll have to put that down here somewhere so you can see how the rings are staggered. The rings have to be staggered like that, like that, like that, like that. So that it has that weird flow through it like that. So this here, being the neodymium, is designed to have like basically create like a field in there where everything gets compressed even more because of the spinning rings. So that there is the coiling of the neodymium magnet. Here it is here. Are these here? So because I made this salad today, that represents the neodymium magnet. And that's, before the neodymium magnet, is the superheating, the lasers to superheat the four particles. So this hydrogen, it has earth, proton, fire, electron. This oxygen has air neutrons, and water neutrons, and fire electrons. So you're playing with the four elements. But those elements, they have colors. So in this here are the lasers, would have four colors to superheat the plasma, because you want to superheat those little particles that are inside there to help increase to turn it into plasma. If you're superheating it with lasers of the same color, so a yellow laser superheats the water neutron, air. A blue laser superheats the blue air neutron. A green laser superheats the earth green proton, and I should do that again. So the orange laser superheats the orange fire electron. The green laser superheats the green earth proton, while a yellow laser superheats the yellow water neutron, while the blue laser superheats the blue air neutron, corresponding with those four elements. That happens here, prior to that chamber there. So over here, I just got my socks and I seen this here. We have this here, so this has ion in it right there, so ion. The ions is, I've yet to draw that part of the engine, but it'll be over here. Like that's the part with the 25 holes in it, maybe on here somewhere. where all these things get compressed and then they build up into this little sleeve here, the gold sleeve, and then they get forced through there. So this is like another way to see the lasers. So we're talking about the ions here. So ions, and then it's like Kush. Kush is another name. They spell it with a K. K-U-S-H is terminology for green. So this means green ion crew. Green ion crew. That means many things. So that means that green ion crew means, you know, if I had put a green pepper in here, which is missing, you almost have all the 4 elements, right? So a green pepper is earth. You know, I don't have blue, but if you had like if there was like a blue pepper, and you put a blue pepper, you have all the colors. So you have green, blue, yellow, orange. So this green, or this Kush ion is like green ion crew. So Q live crew is a rap group. 2 live group, or 2 live crew. So we're talking about like a crew of people, which basically means, you know, there's a group of men called From Boys to Men, which is a group of 4 people. So this actually means like the four quantum subatomic particles that compose an elemental atom up. This is where I got the idea to go look at my food over there to show you this video, that I got some ideas just by looking at the socks. So I said, once I come over, look at my socks, I seen Kush, I mean, green ion. Green ion, what do I mean green ion? Oh, fuck, they want me to superheat the lasers. They want to use color-specific lasers to heat the quantum subatomic particles, because each particle is aligned to a specific laser. So that'll superheat the primitive, like blowtorch gas coming from the hydrogen and the oxygen. It'll superheat it with the correct lasers.